In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone a co-host on Zoom. This quick and easy guide will help you efficiently manage your meetings and enhance collaboration. Whether you're running a team discussion, a virtual event, or a classroom session, knowing how to assign a co-host can be a game changer, allowing for smoother operations and letting you focus more on the content of your meeting. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you need to log into Zoom. You can do this either through the Zoom app on your device or by navigating to the Zoom website using your preferred web browser. Ensure you're signed in with the account that will host the meeting because only the host can assign co-host privileges to others. Once you're logged into Zoom, go ahead and start your meeting as the host. This is crucial because you'll need to be logged in as the host to have access to the settings we'll need for this task. If you're already in a meeting, make sure you have host privileges. Now, with your meeting in progress, you'll want to locate the participant you wish to make a co-host. To do this, open the Participants panel. This panel will show you a list of everyone currently in the meeting, making it easy to spot the person you're looking for. With the Participants panel open, hover over the name of the participant you want to promote to co-host status. This action will highlight their name and reveal additional options for interacting with that participant. Next, you'll want to click on the More button, which appears as 3 dots, baos, right next to their name. This button provides a drop-down menu of actions you can take regarding this participant. It's a useful tool for managing meeting roles and various participant privileges. From the list of options in the drop-down menu, select Make Host. By doing so, you're effectively promoting them to a co-host role. They'll soon receive a notification informing them that they are now a co-host, giving them immediate access to co-host functionalities, which include managing participants and sharing administrative duties during the meeting. Finally, if you ever need to remove the co-host privileges from this participant, for example, if the meeting dynamics change or their role is no longer needed, you can do so just as easily. Simply click the More button again alongside their name and choose Withdraw Co-host Permission. This will revoke their co-host rights and revert them to a regular participant. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make someone a co-host in Zoom. Applying these steps will allow you better control over your meetings and provide flexibility in managing larger groups. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit, and keep practicing to master the virtual meeting space.